Hi guys, I hope you all are safe and doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my nykaa plus my PR haul. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video, you will get notified and you don't miss out on anything. And now without rambling much, let's go. Okay, so let's get started with the first product that I have right here, and this is from Ayurveda. So this is the Bringadi Kesh Lepam, and this is their Nourishing Restoring Pre-Wash Hair Mask. I haven't tried any hair mask from Ayurveda, so I got this one, and this is how the bottle looks like. But what I'm gonna say is the price you are paying is 750 rupees and the quantity you are getting is 80 grams of product, which is very less than the price you are paying. So if you have very long hair, you can use it maybe once or twice. For me, it's about 3 to 4 times and then it will be over. So this is the Bringadi Kesh Lepam and this is their Bringadi hair cleanser. So this is a hair cleanser and you are getting 50 ml of product. It retails for around 450 rupees, I think. Yeah, 415 rupees, and you are getting 50 ml of product. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm not gonna say anything about this. And this is for volumizing, nourishing and repairing, clinically proven to reduce hair fall, dandruff flakes and oily scalp. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this one out, and also this is my first hair cleanser from Ayurveda, so I'm very excited. Then the next product that I have is also from Ayurveda. I don't know where I kept the outer packaging because I've already started using it. I got it last month. So this is the clarifying and brightening cleansing oil, and oh my god, this is such a beautiful cleansing oil, and after using it you will feel your skin feels so nice, smooth and bright. I absolutely love it. This is very hydrating on the skin. It cleanses your makeup so well. It also deals with your waterproof makeup. One thing I would like to say that don't use it to remove your eye makeup because it stings your eyes. Otherwise this is an amazing product and I would highly recommend it because this is very hydrating on the skin. I just love using it. It makes my skin so nice and bright. Yeah. The next product that I got is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I have heard so many good reviews on this particular product, and also I got one from nykaa, I think long back. I don't know where I kept it, but I wanted to try this one so much, so I got this one and it's so hydrating on the skin. Let me show you how it looks like. Can you guys see? It feels so nice and hydrating on the skin. I just love using it. I don't know why I kept the outer packaging, but overall I really like this underneath my makeup. So this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Capsule in Serum. This is a daily serum, but I believe it has mica in it because it has very small tiny shimmer particles in it, and I am someone who don't like using mica in my everyday skincare routine. So I love using it underneath my makeup and it keeps my skin so hydrated, dewy and glowy. So yeah, overall a really nice product. K-Beauty has recently launched their color correcting concealers and they have sent me all of the shades in PR, and I have already reviewed these in one of my recent videos. I will link it right here. If you are interested in getting one of these, just go and check it out. And if you want to see the swatches, I will upload a reel really soon, so yeah, stay tuned for that. The next product that I got in PR, and this is the Lotus Botanicals Ubtan Detan Radiance Face and Body Mask, and this has 24K gold in it, and I was looking for an Ubtan mask. So when I saw this on their website, I wanted to try this particular product out. I'm gonna review it really soon. So if you are interested in trying this Ubtan mask, stay tuned for the review. Then I got two Deo roll-ons from Nivea. The first one is their Naturally Good Deodorant with Bio Green Tea, and this one is their Naturally Good Deodorant with Bio Aloe Vera. Now I was already using this particular variant that's completely over, so I had to get this one, but I also wanted to try their aloe vera one as well, so I got both of them. And also I bought another of their Naturally Good deodorant. This is the Bio Aloe Vera variant and the packaging is a little different, but it smells amazing. This is totally worth my every single penny. I love this particular variant. So yeah, I would highly recommend their Naturally Good deodorant, and this is in the variant Bio Aloe Vera. I would highly recommend this particular variant because it smells even better than the green tea one. So yeah, they are totally worth my every single penny. Then I got few products in PR from Dot&Key. The first one is this one. This is the Cica Calming Skin Renewing Night Gel. This has green tea and niacinamide. And the second product that I have is the Cica Calming Blemish Clearing Face Wash. This has salicylic acid and green tea. I absolutely love this particular range. Then I have the Cica Calming Skin Clarifying Toner. This has green tea and niacinamide. I already ordered one from Amazon and I'm quite enjoying that. So they have sent me another one. This is a backup, and oh my god, the Cica Calming Toner is so amazing. And this is the reason why I wanted to review the entire range. And also they came out with their Cica Calming Niacinamide Sunscreen. This has SPF of 50 and PA++ with broad spectrum protection. The nykaa has sent me the entire Neutrogena Bright Boost range. The first one is the Illuminating Serum, and this is how it looks like. Then I have their Bright Boost Gel Cream. Then the next product that I have is their Bright Boost Micro Polish, and this is their face wash. And I haven't tried it yet. I'm super excited to try this one out. And lastly, I have their Bright Boost Gel Cream. So this is how it looks like. Guys, I clearly have no idea why they have sent me two different sizes of the same product. So this is their Bright Boost Gel Cream, and this is also the same. Now I think they do come in two different sizes. I haven't tried it yet because they have sent me these products just yesterday. So yeah, I will definitely try it and let you guys know what I think about them. Now along with their Bright Boost range, they have sent me this beautiful pouch in PR, and this is so cute, so handy. I'm definitely gonna use it whenever I'm traveling. So thank you so much Neutrogena, thank you so much nykaa for sending these over. Now along with the Nivea deodorants, I also bought this one from nykaa. This is the Rice Ceramide Moisturizer from Face Shop. I love using this particular moisturizer throughout the year, and I guess this is my third tub, and this is a really nice hydrating moisturizer. I would highly recommend this one. Then I got two lip masks. The first one is the N Pucker lip mask, and the second one is the N Berry Bomb De-Pigmentation lip mask. I haven't tried it yet, but I've already started using this one. This is really good. I would highly recommend this one. This keeps your lips so soft and smooth and hydrated throughout the day. If you have super dry and chapped lips, try this one out. Then I got a nail paint remover from Color Bar, and I also got this Blue Heaven Dip and Twist nail paint remover. This is really good. This is so affordable and it makes my life so easy. So yeah, these are the two nail paint removers that I bought. And lastly, I have 4 lipsticks from Blur. So this is the first time I've tried something from this particular brand. I haven't tried their products before. These are not just lipsticks. You can totally use them on your lips, on your cheeks, as well as on your eyelid. And this is how the bullets looks like. They come in this clean white packaging, and this is how the swatches looks like. Now what I've noticed is it has a weird fragrance to it, which I don't really like. I don't know the formulation because this is the first time I'm trying it. So yeah, I need to try it out more to give you my final thoughts, and I will definitely create either a reel or a swatch video to let you guys know what I think about them. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. All of the product details and links will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And please don't forget to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below if you find this video helpful or not. I would love to know that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.